Hi, just got back from the Camino English. While still fresh in my mind, let me go over some of the gears that I used on the Camino. Let's start bottom up. I went with the Ultra Olympus 5. I love these shoes, lots of cushion, and I went a size up. But still, when you go downhill, your toe crushes against the front and it's pretty painful. So advise always size up. Instead of going down straight, what you can do, and a tip is go zigzag. Zigzag, that will help. Or go backward. We're not talking about just, a little slope down. We're talking about like 10 to 15 minutes going down and your toes crushing. It is pretty painful. So always size up. You know what I don't like is that rocks coming in. So I had to take off my shoes like 5 or 6 times per day. So what I could have done is could have brought my gaiter. The gaiter would have helped little rocks from falling in next time. This is what I wore every day on the Camino. Shoes, right? And Ginty toe socks with the darn tough socks daily. All right. I have the compression for my calf. More smart wool underwear. You got the mountain hardware hiking pants. Hooded mountain hardware shirt. And of course, my hat. Every day. Now, let's look at my bag. Okay, here in the front, water bottle. So this, every 30 minutes, half. Every hour, I should finish, and then I take a long break and fill it up. In here, this is where I store my snack, candy, sunglasses. Midday, Spain. Sun is very harsh, so bring sunglasses. Always bring a pen, because after you stamp your credential, no pen for you to write the date, so bring a pen. A whistle, but I don't use it, only for emergency, like falling down a cliff, I don't know. Next to it is my neck buff. Now I wore this in the morning when it's cold, keep my neck nice and warm, but mostly I use it to wipe my sweat going uphill. Or I use this when I take a nap midday. I cover my eyes and then I take a nap. Yeah, this is where I store my phone. On the side, I have my umbrella, my water bottle with hydration mix. On the side, my ground filtration purifier water bottle. Now this water bottle is so simple to use, so fast to use. On the Camino English, every 6 kilometers there is a new water fountain that they install. The water is very clean. It's safe to drink the water there, but for me, I'd rather be safe. So I filter my water. Water is very heavy to carry. So what I do at every water fountain is that I camel up. I drink as much as I can. On the back here, I have my knee brace. I wore this daily on my calf, and if I need it for my knee, I pull it up to my knee. What else do I have back here? My rain skirt. Now this thing, I have not used it for the rain, but what I did use is that daily I use it as a mat so I can lay down and take a nap. I love to nap on the Camino. It's one of the best things to do on the Camino is taking a nap. So my rain skirt served me well as a mat to sit down or lay down here. My toilet kit. Look, on the Camino, when you have to go number 2, you find a place. When you think it's the best place, guess what? You walk around and you see, oh, gross. Come on, fellow Pellegrinos, be responsible and dig a hole. Dig a hole. Bury your number 2. It's gross for other Pellegrinos to see what you did. From the top, my rain jacket, my outer shell. Now I use this every morning when it's still misty or it's sprinkling. This is my go-to jacket every day. Sandals. Now sandals, you got to get a pair of sandals for the municipal albergue, because you take a shower, you have to wear it around. When you walk into the albergue, they want you to take your boots off and store it on the shelf. So you be wearing sandals. For this trip, I opted for this sandals, right? But you know what I could have done is that I could have gone with like these. This one, it's lighter and it's flat, smaller, so it'll be like more compact to pack this versus this bulky sandals. Even though it's nice, it feels really good. But still, this is good for a shower or walking around the albergue. In here, I have my Mountain Hardwear puffy jacket. I wore this twice on the Camino. That's about it. But mostly, this was my go-to jacket. Towel. You don't need a big towel for the shower. You need a small one, like this. All right, this would do it. Toothbrush, toothpaste, my shaver. That's it. Oh, my snack bag. So in this bag is where I store my snack. Charger. I have only 2 cable, right? 2 cable. This is to charge my phone. Now this Camino, I only brought with me my phone as a camera. That's it, no extra camera. This one's for my phone. And this one is for my headlamp. And what else do you need? You need this thing. And that's it. That's all I brought with me on the Camino. Massaging ball. This was my best friend. After hiking 35 km, 37 km a day, by the end of the day, I couldn't wait to use it, put my feet on and just rub like it crazy. Rubbing it. And that really helped a lot. So much that definitely I will bring it on my next Camino. Band-Aid. Band-Aid and medicine. You know what I did not use or even touch on the Camino was a Band-Aid or Compeed. Never touched once because I didn't need it. Medicine, I did use ibuprofen once, twice. That was it because I was in pain, especially the first or second day. Woo! It takes you a few days to adjust. So did not use any bandages. I fear that one of my ankle will give out and be in pain. So I brought with me this little ankle sleeve, but never did use it. That's it. This in here is my spare clothes. I wore this to sleep, or if my hiking clothes dirty, I can use it as a hiking clothes. I packed with me. This is an icebreaker merino wool t-shirt. Now these kind of fabric, they don't stink, you know? You can wear it for like 5 or 6 days and still smell good. So look into merino wool fabric. Pants, hiking pants, or sleeping pants. Hooded shirt. I mostly wore this pants and t-shirt around the albergue. Extra underwear, smart wool underwear, and an extra pair of socks, just in case the other one's wet. That's it. Municipal albergue, there's no blanket. They give you a disposable pillowcase and disposable mattress cover, but that's about it. No blanket. If you stay at a private albergue, they give you a blanket, sheet, and a towel. Okay, now this is my quilt. Here it is. It's small, it's light, and it keeps me warm. And that's it. Overall, it was a buen camino. Please like and subscribe. Shoes. I went with the Olympus. The water is very clean, crisp, and clean. Clean and crisp and cool. Cool, clean, and crisp. Cool and clean. It's safe to drink the water.